The privilege of opening the first trial in history for crimes against the peace of the world imposes a grave responsibility. The wrongs which we seek to condemn and punish have been so calculated, so malignant and so devastating that civilization cannot tolerate their being ignored.
Well, not represented by Council today. We understand that this is of your own choice. You do have the right, of course, to defend yourself. You also have a right to counsel, and you should consider carefully whether it's in your own best interests not to be represented.
I consider this tribunal a false tribunal and indictments false indictments. It is illegal, so I have no need to appoint counsel to illegal organ.
Now, do you want to have the indictment read out?
That's your problem.
Good morning, Your Honors. Case number IT 0254T, the prosecutor versus Slobodan Milosevic.
Yes, Madam Prosecutor.
Thank you, Mr. President. No state or organization is on trial here today. The accused is brought before you to answer for his own actions and for his personal involvement in the crimes alleged against him.
This trial is about the climb of this accused to power, power that was exercised without accountability, responsibility, or morality. At the outset, he thought he could have it all, perhaps. A new Yugoslavia, himself a second Tito. We must use the word ethnic cleansing.
That
Barghouti refused to recognize the Israeli court, which convicted him in 2004. But many Israelis, especially those who lost family members in suicide bombings, see him as a murderer and terrorist who should never be freed.
Marwan Barghouti might be behind bars, but his voice still carries across the occupied Palestinian territories.
no peace, no security with the occupation. I didn't deal with the Israeli court. I don't recognize the right of Israel to sentence a Palestinian leader, Palestinian member of parliament.
I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die.
Can you remain standing, please? We would like to read out the verdict. I am listening to you. No, I'm sitting down. I'm not standing. I'd like to remain seated. I'll have a word with you. The court has decided to sentence defendant Saddam Hussein al-Majid to be executed with hanging. Long live the people. Long live the nation. Down with the traitors. Down with the invaders. God is great. God is great. In accordance with Article 24, go to hell with your law and your articles and clauses. We are the people of this land. We are the people of this land. You are not in a position to decide. You are an agent. You are the mouthpiece of occupation and colonialism. Dead to the enemy of the Iraqi people. And long live the honorable nation. And victory to the nation. And death to the invaders. So take him
Court of
out.
California, County of Los Angeles. In the matter of the people of the state of California versus Orenthal James Simpson, case number BA097211. We, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant Orenthal James Simpson not guilty of the crime of murder in violation of Penal Code Section 187A. We, the jury, in the above entitled action, further find a special circumstance that the defendant, Orenthal James Simpson, has in this case been convicted of at least one crime of murder of the first degree and one or more crimes of murder of the first or second degree to be not true. Simpson not guilty of the crime.